Hi, I'm Jeremy Engle, staff editor with the Learning Network, and I'll be introducing one of our weekly features, News Quiz. Each week on Tuesday, we publish a 10-question interactive quiz to test and challenge students' knowledge of current events and this week's biggest news stories. Each quiz includes a wide range of news stories, from politics to economy to sports and culture, from national to international news, and sometimes even news from deep into the cosmos. Typically, we take a sentence or two from the lead paragraph of the top news stories of the week and blank a word or phrase. We then provide 3 reasonably plausible but wrong choices for the answer. Here's some examples. This month, 11-year-old Dee Curry became the first skateboarder to complete 200 consecutive 360-degree spins, hold a baby freeze pose for more than 2 minutes, land a 1080 on a half pipe, perform a 50-inch ollie. Did you say land a 1080 on a half pipe?
Not bad.
When students click on their answer, it will reveal the correct one and provide students with additional information and context about the news story, as well as a link to the original news story in the Times. The 10th and final question of each quiz is what we call the onion question. In a time of misinformation, disinformation, and fake news, we ask students if they can spot the spoof headline from the satiric digital media company, The Onion, from 3 real ones from the New York Times. In addition, we begin every news quiz with a mystery photo, a photo from one of the top 10 stories of the week, stripped of its caption. See if you can place these mystery photos. After students complete the quiz, the news quiz then tells you how many questions out of 10 you've gotten right, and also reveals the answer to the mystery photo. The news quiz feature is a fun way for students to keep up with the news and offers a great tangible incentive to pay more attention to current events. The more you practice, the better you'll do on future quizzes. The more chance you'll have of nailing summer and yearly news quiz roundups.